Hello and welcome to this session, friends. My name is Yogesh. This session is not going to be a technical session or hands-on session, but I'm going to discuss on handling leap second issue on Red Hat Enterprise Linux or CentOS, whether you are running 4, 5, 6 or latest one which is 7. Friends, this event is going to happen on 31st of December. And what is leap second? Basically 1 second is added into your system clock or your kernel, which can make problems. And why it happens? That due to earth rotation, because speed varies due to climate and geological events. And this is one of the particular Red Hat note which is open for public. You can read this note for more detail, and this is upcoming event. How you can detect whether your operating system will be impacted or will be not impacted due to this particular leap second issue. You can download one script which is Red Hat developed script, and this is the path. If you see, this is a path. Just copy paste this link to your browser. You will get download, and once downloaded, just simply run that script. It will tell you whether your kernel is okay to handle this leap second issue, whether your NTP package is okay to handle leap second issue. If not, it will give you recommendation. So simply update your kernel, update your NTP to latest one. In case you are not able to perform the kernel update or NTP update, your systems or your environment may be an issue, friends. So what's that's not a workaround, but what you can do once the event has happened, you can stop and start NTP and sync your time to latest time on the time source. But again, that's something we don't want to do on enterprise setup. So be prepared for this event and do whatever the necessary actions you have to do. Let me open a Red Hat link which I just shown you, and that is open to public. Okay, this is the link. If you see, this tells what is leap second, when upcoming leap second event is happening, which environments impacted. If you see 4, 5, 6, 7, so everything is impacted, friends. That's a bit worrying. This is a little bit extra detail about leap second, and here if you see, this is a leap second inserted. So Red Hat explained in very well way, and this is the leap second. If you see, after 59, 60 is happening, whereas 00 should be there. Okay, that's a one thing. And whether your system is running NTP or cronny client, they both are impacted. So here Red Hat given detail when occurrence happen, how it looks like, and a couple of options or supportability things they have given. Just refer this link, that's very useful link, friends. And there are a couple of non-issues also. That's a bit important. If you are not taking action, if leap second issue happen, that may crash your system. If you see on Red Hat 4, if you see Red Hat 5, there are other issues. Red Hat 5 may be also crashed, and similar way, like Red Hat 6 can hang. There is a chance. That's a not sure thing. Like your system will, all the systems will hang which got this particular bug or impacted by this leap second issue. But again, there is a chance, friends. And if you see, these are the complete non-issues. So that's a bit worry kind of thing, but don't worry, Red Hat already developed one script. If you see this particular link, leap second issue detector, once you click on this link, and if you go to enterprise support, you will be able to download the script, and you can run this script on your systems. It will check whether your kernel is impacted by leap second issue or not, whether NTP package is up to date to handle leap second or not. In case not, it will give you recommendations. Okay, so fix is going to be just update your kernel to latest one, update your NTP and cronny, whatever NTP client you are using, update to latest one, restart your services, and that's the best way. In case let's say your setup is complicated, you can't go with the kernel update, maybe your application or database is not compatible, or they have tested to work on a different kernel. In such cases, what you can do, once the event has happened, just stop your NTP client, which may be NTP or cronny, and start it again and sync to latest time on your time with your time sources. That's a workaround, friends, but that's something which I don't recommend. So be prepared and do the fixes whatever you can do before the issue. So thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned to Red Hat channel. Not Red Hat channel, basically Red Hat portal. If you see, this is the Red Hat portal. They publish all the latest reports here. This is the article. I will copy paste the link of this particular article in the notes of my YouTube video. So always refer this one for latest news. And there is discussion going on with the different parties, different customers. If you see here, like you can provide your feedback, and Red Hat, if you go to enterprise support, Red Hat is going to help you on this one. So thank you for watching this video, friend.